Welcome to the channel Battlefield Chronicles. Today we are exploring the air defense system of Turkey, one of the most advanced and rapidly developing air defense networks in the world. Located between Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, Turkey faces complex security challenges, which is why protecting its airspace is a top priority. Over the last decade, Turkey has invested heavily in both imported and domestically developed air defense systems to defend against aircraft, missiles, drones, and other aerial threats. In this video, we will explore the key components, technologies, and strategic importance of Turkey's powerful air defense network. Turkey sits in a geopolitically sensitive region surrounded by areas of conflict. Because of this strategic location, the country needs a strong air defense system capable of detecting and intercepting threats from long distances. Modern warfare relies heavily on air power, cruise missiles, and drones, which makes air defense essential. Turkey's military strategy focuses on creating a layered air defense network that combines radar, missiles, and command systems to protect cities, military bases, and borders. Turkey's air defense strategy relies on multi-layered protection. This means different systems defend against threats at different ranges and altitudes. Long-range systems intercept threats far away, medium-range systems cover important areas, and short-range systems protect troops and critical infrastructure. The system is integrated with radar networks and command centers that monitor the sky 24 hours a day. One of the most powerful systems acquired by Turkey is the S-400 Triumph from Russia. This long-range air defense system can detect aircraft, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles hundreds of kilometers away. The S-400 is capable of engaging multiple targets simultaneously and is considered one of the most advanced missile defense systems in the world. Its acquisition by Turkey sparked international debate and highlighted Turkey's desire for independent defense capabilities. To reduce reliance on foreign technology, Turkey launched its own air defense development project known as the HISAR Air Defense System. This family of systems includes short-range and medium-range missiles designed to intercept enemy aircraft, helicopters, and drones. Developed by Turkish defense companies, the HISAR program represents a major step toward military self-sufficiency. The HISAR is designed to protect troops and military bases from low-altitude threats such as helicopters, drones, and attack aircraft. It uses advanced radar and infrared guidance to track and destroy targets quickly. Mounted on mobile launch vehicles, HISAR can move with ground forces and provide rapid air defense in combat zones. The HISAR provides medium-range protection against aircraft and missiles. It has a longer engagement range than HISAR and is used to defend strategic facilities such as airports, military bases, and key infrastructure. Its advanced radar and missile guidance allow it to track multiple targets at once. Turkey is also developing a next-generation long-range air defense system known as the HISAR Air Defense System. HISAR is designed to rival the most advanced air defense systems in the world and will eventually form the backbone of Turkey's national missile defense. With powerful radar and long-range interception capability, HISAR will strengthen Turkey's ability to protect its airspace independently. Air defense systems rely heavily on radar technology. Turkey operates advanced radar networks capable of detecting aircraft and missiles at long distances. These radars provide early warning and send information to command centers where operators analyze threats and coordinate defensive actions. Turkey is also a member of NATO, which means its air defense network can coordinate with allied systems. NATO radar stations and early warning aircraft contribute to regional air surveillance. This cooperation improves Turkey's ability to detect threats across a wider area. Modern conflicts have shown that drones can be extremely dangerous. Turkey has developed counter-drone technologies integrated into its air defense systems. These include radar detection, electronic warfare, and missile interception designed to neutralize unmanned aerial vehicles before they reach their targets. Many Turkish air defense systems are mounted on mobile vehicles, allowing them to move quickly across the battlefield. Mobility increases survivability because systems can change position frequently and avoid enemy targeting. This flexibility is critical in modern high-tech warfare. Turkey's defense industry plays a key role in developing indigenous air defense systems. Companies such as ASELSAN, ROKTSAN, and TÜBİTAK are responsible for designing radar systems, missiles, and electronic warfare technologies. Their work has significantly strengthened Turkey's domestic defense capabilities. Turkey continues to invest in next-generation missile defense technologies, including improved radar, artificial intelligence integration, and longer-range interception systems. Future developments will likely enhance the country's ability to defend against ballistic missiles, stealth aircraft, and hypersonic threats. In conclusion, Turkey's air defense system is rapidly evolving into a powerful and sophisticated network designed to protect the nation's skies. By combining imported systems like the S-400 with indigenous programs such as HISAR and SIPER, Turkey is building a layered defense capable of responding to modern aerial threats. As technology advances and domestic production increases, Turkey's air defense capabilities will continue to grow stronger in the years ahead. The future centerpiece of Turkey's air defense is the Steel Dome Air Defense Network, a nationwide system designed to connect radars, missile batteries, sensors, and command centers into a single integrated shield. This network will link different layers of air defense so that low-altitude drones, cruise missiles, aircraft, and ballistic missiles can all be detected and intercepted. The system combines dozens of components including radars, command systems, and missile launchers to create a unified defense structure. Reuters, the goal is to make Turkey capable of defending its entire airspace. With domestically built technology, a major part of Turkey's future defense capability will come from the SIPER long-range air defense system. Current versions already have ranges exceeding 100 km. Advanced variants such as SIPER Blockmanus-2 will extend the range further and improve interception capabilities. Future versions are expected to defend against ballistic missiles and high-speed targets. Turkey Today 1. This system forms the top layer of Turkey's air defense shield and is comparable to major global systems like Patriot or S-400. Turkey is building a layered structure where each system protects a different altitude. HISAR, a short-range defense for drones, helicopters, and low-altitude aircraft. HISAR, medium-range protection for military bases and cities. SIPER, long-range defense against high-altitude aircraft and missiles. This layered structure ensures that if one system fails to intercept a threat, another system can engage it at a different altitude or distance. Defense Mirror. Turkey is also developing AI-supported command systems that connect sensors, radars, and weapons into a unified network. This technology allows the defense system to analyze threats in real time, assign the best weapon to intercept targets, coordinate multiple systems simultaneously. Experts describe this approach as a system of systems, where every air defense element works together as one integrated shield. Turkey is investing billions of dollars into expanding its air defense programs. Recent defense contracts worth about $6.5 billion aim to increase missile range and accuracy, improve radar and sensors, expand the domestic defense ecosystem. New production facilities are also being built to increase manufacturing capacity for these systems. Future Turkish air defense systems are being designed to handle emerging threats such as stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, drone swarms, ballistic missiles, Advanced radar technology and improved missile guidance systems will allow the country to track and intercept these threats from longer distances. The long-term goal of Turkey's defense strategy is military independence. In the past, Turkey depended on foreign systems for air defense, but modern programs aim to ensure that radars, missiles, electronics, and command software are all produced domestically. This will reduce reliance on foreign suppliers and strengthen national security. The future of Turkey's air defense is focused on building a powerful, fully integrated national missile shield. Through the development of systems like SIPER, HISAR, and the Steel Dome network, Turkey aims to create a layered defense capable of countering everything from drones to ballistic missiles. As investments continue and technology advances, Turkey is positioning itself to become one of the leading air defense powers in the region.